Assalamu alaikum students. This is Fahad here and today the topic of our lecture is divisibility rules. Basically divisibility rules are magical tricks and by using these tricks you can easily identify that either your number is divisible by one of these numbers or not in just 30 seconds without actual division. So let's start the topic. Okay. So let's check what is the divisibility rule of 2. Divisibility rule of 2 is if the last digit of a number is even, then the complete number is divisible by 2. So to understand this, first of all, you must know that both are even numbers. I know that you all know this. Even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Okay, so if the last digit is even, then you can surely say that my number is divisible by 2. I don't have to do complete division method. Okay, first number is 259. Is it divisible by 2? No, because the last digit is not even. This is 9 and 9 is not even. What about this? Is this number divisible by 2? What about the last digit? Last digit is even. It means yes, this is divisible by 2. What about this? No, because last digit is not even. Similarly, 0. 0 is even or odd? 0 is even. It means this number is also divisible by 2. You can check it by long division method. So now let's move towards the divisibility rule of 3. Okay, divisibility rule of 3 is quite interesting. That is, if the sum of all digits present in a number comes in 3's table, then the whole number is divisible by 3. What we have to do, we just have to add all the digits present in a number. For example, you have to check either 2517 is divisible by 3 or not. So what you have to do, according to rule, you have to add all the digits. 2 plus 5 plus 1 plus 7. 2 and 5, 7, 7, 1, 8 and add 7, 15. Does 15 come in table of 3? Yes. It means this complete number is also divisible by 3. So let's check it by long division method. Okay, I am starting with the 3 because I have to check its rule. 3 8s are 24, 1 remains, 1 I wrote downward, 3 3s are 9, 2 remains and last one 3 9s are 27. It means yes, this rule is perfect. Now if I ask you, is 8723 divisible by 3 or not? Okay, so let's check. 8 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3. 8 and 7 15. 15 and 2 17. 17 and 3 20. Does 20 come in table of 3? No, it means this number is not divisible by 3. Okay, interesting. Now let's move towards the divisibility rule of 5. Okay class, divisibility rule of 5 is easier than both the rules, which is if the last digit is 0 or 5, then the complete number is divisible by 5. For example, if I ask you, okay, the number is very big now. If this number is divisible by 5, you just have to see the last digit. Last digit is 5. It means yes, this is divisible by 5. Okay, what about this? Last digit is 0. Yes, this is divisible by 5. And what about this? There are so many 5 in the question and 3. If this number is divisible by 5, no, because the last digit is not divisible by 5. That's why this number is not divisible by 5. I hope class you all have understood today's lecture. Allah Hafiz.